Hey guys, how you doing? I just want to come on here real quick and just invite you to our overview this Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss it. All you have to do is log into Zoom, put in the meeting ID 739-226-2726. Once again, the Zoom number is 739-226-2726. Also, when you enter the password, it's all lowercase, B Shyness. That's BSHYNAZ. So Wednesdays at 8 p.m., we teach you how to make money, how to save money, how to grow your money, and how to protect your money. We're going to talk about three things. We're going to talk about the money problems that people are facing today, and we're going to show you all the solutions that we provide to them. We're also going to help you to learn what are all your choices within our program. And our financial literacy coaching program is 100% complimentary. So don't miss it, 8 p.m. Eastern Time tonight. Join the workshop so you can learn how to make, save, grow, and protect your money.